Maraming magagaling, pero may isang pinili. Sa gitna ng hamon, siya ang nangunguna sa serbisyo tungkulin. May tapang sa dibdib, may puso para sa bayan. Brigadier General Christopher Abrahano, lider na maasahan. Magagapay class of 1996, pangarap at disiplina sa serbisyo'y kapit. Mula aviation security hanggang sa investigasyon, bawat segment naging bahagi ng misyon. Caraga, Northern Mindanao, iba't ibang lugar, saan man maitalaga, serbisyo'y nagliliyab. Diretso kung magsalita, malinaw ang direksyon, kapakanan ng bayan ang laging prioridad sa aksyon. Hindi lang ranggo ang sukatan ng lider, kundi pusong handang magsilbi kahit anong hamon ang dumating. Kapag may problema, hindi umatras, maghanda, pigilan, tumugon, serbisyo'y mabilis at wagas. The chosen one among the best, sa serbisyo sa bayan laging nagbibigay ng best. Maraming magaling pero siya ang pinagkatiwalaan, para sa Metro Manila, seguridad ang ipinaglaban. Mabilis na serbisyo, ramdam ng bawat tao. Police visibility sa lansangan ay makikita mo. May tapang, may puso, may malasakit sa kapwa. Christopher Abrahano, lider na may paninindigan. Maagap sa tawag, handa sa bawat sitwasyon, marunong sa tungkulin, mahusay sa parasyon, magalang sa
serbisyo mabilis, tapat at nararamdaman. Our task in the NCRPO is to make that direction real in the community's mission. We will not reinvent the wheel. To the people of Metro Manila, you should expect your police to be present, responsive, professional, and respectful. You should not need influence or connections to receive proper police service. Kapag kailangan niyo ng police, dapat may respond. Kapag humingi kayo ng tulong, dapat may tulong. Our commitment is simple. Every need covered, every call answered. We cannot promise that crime will never happen, but we can promise that we will deploy our people where they are most needed, and they will respond when the public calls. Our operational approach will be equally clear: prepare, prevent, and respond. We will prepare our people, our equipment, our intelligence, and our plans. We will prevent crime through better information, proper deployment, and visible police presence where it matters. And when incidents do happen, we will respond quickly. To every member of NCRPO, I expect 4 things: marunong, maagap, magalang, at maayos na police. Know your job, be responsive, treat people properly, and maintain discipline. If you perform your duty legally, professionally, and in good faith, your leadership will support you. But if you abuse your authority, engage in corruption, or deliberately violate our rules, we will act. Kung tama, susuportahan natin. Kung mali, paparusahan natin. This is the standard. Mga kasama ko sa NCRPO, we police the nation's capital. The expectations are high and rightly so. Let us give meaning to the direction of our Chief PNP through competent police work, disciplined leadership, and service that our people can actually feel. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang NCRPO, mabuhay ang Philippine National Police.